I don't know if the goatee has run its course. I may just shave it all off. ONEBLADE CORE, the Juan Valdez. Very, very nice, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you like the Juan Valdez? Or should I just go ahead and take it all off?
The Juan Valdez.
And now I'm gonna go find out if I'm keeping this on, or I may be right back shaving this off today. All right, the verdict is this is coming off too. If the woman is not happy, you ain't happy.
If your woman ain't happy, you ain't happy, bro. And she ain't liking the Juan Valdez.
All right, we're gonna go with an extended cut. We're gonna get rid of this cheesy mustache. First pass with the gray. Two weeks erased in a second. And we're gonna go with a cross grain for second pass. Third and final against the grain cut. I feel individual strands of hair getting cut. Beautiful. Splash of cold water again. Second message from the Duke. And a happy woman. I'll see you guys next time. Be good. And wash your hands. Stay safe, guys. Baby bottom smooth. If the woman is not happy, you ain't happy.